હેલો જય પ્રભુ એવરીવન. આજે આપણે ફેસ માસ્ક બનાવીશું અને એના માટે શું જોઈશે તે અહીં બતાવવામાં આવશે. 100% cotton fabric cut into 2 pieces 7 by 9 inches and 2 pieces 3.5 by 2.5 inches. Some pins to hold fabric, 2 rubber band, 7-inch or 7-inch elastic. Now we'll start stitch the 2 7 and 9-inch fabrics to the lengthwise, which you can see here. I have done that. After you finish stitching, flip the stitch fabrics inside out, which you can see here. You flip the fabric, make 2 or 3 pleats and use the pin to hold the pleats. And stitch both ends after you do the pleats. Stitch both sides, the ends. I'm using the pins right now, but you can do the stitches. After you finish that, use the 2.5 by 3.5 inch fabrics to hold the rubber band. First you stitch one side and insert the rubber band, and then flip over the fabric on other side and do the stitching. You do the both side and make sure you do the stitch very strongly twice so rubber band can stay properly. You can do the hand stitches, machine stitch, or the glue gun. Anything you can use it. After you've done the both rubber band, you can use the mask. Thank you. Jai Prabhu.